Hello and welcome inside this course. I'm super excited to see you here because you did find it once. So this universe gonna become to you. Whatever you wanna achieve your life, you start to move and take action. This is the best part on your life. When you take the action, is starting things happening. So basically, my name is Akın Yılmaz and I'm gonna be your first of all your friends, and after I'm gonna be your teacher or how you wanna call me. You can call me anytime. So I will try to explain how you can do this business work for you. So basically, I had over 1 million students and I teach all around the world, almost 173 different country people. So they make them dreams come true. And now it's your turn. And I will try my best to teach you everything what you should be do. Basically, I do this business around 15 years. So basically, I got so much knowledge and experience about this growing business, helping so many clients. And now it's your turn. So inside this course, I will try to explain step by step how you can make your eBay store work. First section and second section, how you can make the account setting. This is really important. And then third, how you can find the winning product and how you can find profitable product. This is really good because this is so important. And next section, I'm going to try to explain how you can list this item in the minute. And then next one, I will try to show you how to make this system automations work for you. So it means while you sleep, it can be order came and come automatically to your customer. And then other one, I will try to explain if you need it, how you can grow up, how you can make your business like a company, LLT and LLP, or if you need some more information, and how you can do accounting stuff and how who should you need to contact with them. This is really important because when you're making more money, you need to do other stuff as well. And then lastly, and this I will try to explain how you can sell your company if you want to over $1 million or how much you want to spend or charge. I don't know. I will try to explain everything step by step. So if you're ready, I'm really excited to see you inside the course. I will try to explain everything step by step, how you can make your dreams come true. First of all, believe yourself, trust yourself, and if you're ready, let's start. Jump in.